Hi guys, this is another video from Mini BMX Bros here. Yeah, so I said I'll put my clamp onto my bars. I don't know whether this is going to work because I've never tried it before. But yeah, let's give it a go. So anyway, yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to put my clamp onto my bars. And I'll tell you about my custom while I'm at it, because, you know, why not? So, the idea came to me when I was first introduced by Owen into scootering at a skate park, which was a couple of months ago now. I already smashed my tooth in doing BMXing there. So, yeah, hopefully this should be done by Christmas. I know it's going to be a long process, but in the end it will all be worth it. I mean, the bars were £56 from UK skate, and then yeah, well they were when I bought them, but they've gone down now, so. Bit gutted, but you know, nothing really you can do. So anyway, I was first introduced to scootering by Owen. I've told you that, you know, went to the skate park and all that, and the bars seem to fit into. Oops, wrong way around. I can't get the right way around now. Slide that out. Turn that round. Put that like that. Hopefully that should be straight. No. Now. Sorry guys, I'm going to have to try and line this up. That's right, just there, right there. Yeah, so I've been to about 5 different skate parks so far. The only one I've fell over at is the one with the bowl, which, yeah, that really hurt because I smashed my tooth in. Yeah, sorry I can't tell you the names of these places, it's just, you know, sort of like privacy rights and everything, but yeah, so it looks like the bars are going to fit into this clamp stress-free, but I'm just trying to line it up at the moment to make sure that it's like right in line. If any of you guys have got scooters and that, if you'd like to, you know, if you want our Instagram name or my Instagram name, it's BMX Cook. Bit of a weird name, but if you'd like to follow me or any of the team, then yeah, just sort of comment down below and we'll have a look. And if you would like to, just, yeah, ask to join our accounts and we'll say yes. Right, it looks like the bars are going to go on hassle free. Hopefully. I'm praying anyway. But yeah, the funniest thing I've ever seen at a skate park is they put BMX handlebars onto a scooter and scooter handlebars onto the BMX. And that was so funny. Right, yeah. That is, I don't know, I might have to put them like that, but Oh, you can see them. Yeah, that is my bars with my Grit SCS clamp on them. Yeah, as you can see, the bars are massive. I mean, they're really wide, but you know, when you think about it on the deck, it's probably going to come up to about there. And the one that I'm riding now, which is a rubbish JD Bug scooter, I cut its bars down to 58. Yeah, so these are 60 or 600mm, so they're bigger, obviously, like 2 centimetres, but yeah, I mean, for the price of them, they're pretty decent. I mean, you can do that and it's like, look, listen. So yeah, just see what you think to it, and hopefully, yeah, you'll like my videos in the future. We should be going over to the skate park soon, so we'll update the videos then, and hopefully you will enjoy them. So thank you for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, obviously. Sorry it took so long, but yeah. This is the Grit SCS clamp on Raptor Remy bars, and thank you very much for watching, guys. Okay, see you next video.